Building a nest box, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, building a nest box. Whether you're a nature lover, a DIY enthusiast, or simply curious about English phrases, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what it means to build a nest box, why it's important, and how to do it. Let's dive in. Building a nest box refers to the process of creating a small, enclosed space designed to provide a safe place for birds to nest and raise their young. A nest box, often called a birdhouse, is made out of materials like wood, metal, or plastic and is placed in gardens, parks, or wild areas to support wildlife conservation. The key components of this phrase are building. This implies the act of making or constructing something. Nest, a structure prepared by birds to lay their eggs and take care of their offspring. Box, a container or enclosed space, usually shaped like a cube or a rectangular prism. Nest boxes play a crucial role in the conservation of bird species, especially those whose natural nesting sites might be in decline due to urbanization, deforestation, or other environmental changes. By building a nest box, you are providing a safe haven for birds to breed and thrive. Benefits include supporting local wildlife, contributing to biodiversity, offering an educational tool to learn about bird behavior and ecology. Building a nest box can be a rewarding project. Here are the basic steps involved. 1. Choose the right materials. Wood is a popular choice due to its durability and insulation properties. 2. Decide on the size and design. Different species of birds prefer different sizes and types of openings. 3. Cut and assemble the pieces. Follow a blueprint or guide to cut the wood to size and assemble the box using nails or screws. 4. Paint or treat the wood. Use non-toxic paint or a natural wood preserver to protect the nest box from the elements. 5. Choose a location. Place your nest box in a quiet, sheltered spot to attract birds. We hope this video has shed some light on the interesting task of building a nest box. Not only does it help in conserving bird populations, but it also offers a unique opportunity to engage with nature right in your backyard. Remember, the effort you put into creating a welcoming space for birds can have a big impact on their survival and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.